Hello guys. If you like the videos, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned. I'll be right back. Good morning, Miss Mary. Have a seat, please.
Good morning, boss.
Miss Keisha reported that you pushed her. Can you please tell me what happened?
Miss me? Okay. This morning, I saw the girl. And then, as they do, that's a lie. Miss me? That's a lie, boss. Yes, this morning, I saw the girl. I didn't say nothing. I'm a good woman. You don't know me. I never fight. Never. Never no good me amour. Mes amis. Never. Jamais. Mes amis. And this morning, I saw the girl. I said, excuse him. Selma.
What?
Excuse me. Selma. Girl, the girl Rele Ayisyen.
I don't understand.
Vire Ayisyen. Like, we.
Okay.
And then I said, I chipe.
What?
C'est ça seulement passé. That's all. I chipe.
What is that?
Like, I chipe.
Show me.
I chipe like. Et ça seulement. That's all. Elle est comme ça, la fout taper comme ça.
Okay.